What's going on, people? So if y'all remember, I did a little teaser, a little short on this box right here. Well, I think it's time to unveil it and let's see what we got. Okay, let's open it up. Voila! I think you know that logo there, right? That is your Kore Essentials. So what do we have in here? We have a Kore Essentials belt. So let's get some of this stuff out of here and see what we got. Packing slip. So we got an X series buckle, black leather gun belt, 1.5 inch, okay? X3 gunmetal buckle, and it goes from 24 inches to 44 inches. So here's the belt, that out of there. All right, nice leather belt, look at that. This thing could be worn, I don't care if you're going out, you know, to dinner with your wife, or if you're going to the office, or to the range, or for duty. That's nice there, all right? Look on the inside of here, they've gotten their patented track system. We're gonna go over all the features and specifications here in a second. Just giving you a quick look, okay? It's also got a inner core, like patented reinforced power core center is what they call it on the inside of this belt. So it keeps it nice and rigid when you have your firearm or carrying your EDC, okay? As you can see, that doesn't really have any flex in it, okay? Nice and rigid belt, can't be mad at that. All right, and then it also came with a nice little hanger, so you can get more than one Kore belt and just keep all your Kore belts on this hanger right here. And then let's see what else we got here. Here's your buckle, all right? So let's go over all the features and benefits of this belt, okay? See what Kore offers us in this package. Okay, so what makes Kore CCW and EDC belts better than anyone else's belt that's out there, okay? So let's talk about some of their features, some of the things they do differently than some other companies, okay? So you have a hidden track system, which I showed you earlier, that's sewn right into the back of the belt, okay? And that lets you micro adjust your Kore belt in small 1/4 inch increments, okay? Tighter or looser until it locks in at your perfect fit, okay? Every day, even after a big lunch, fellas, all right? Inside all of their belts is their reinforced power core center, all right? That's actually the foundation of the belt, okay? That supportive core works to keep your EDC close to your body without sagging, without flopping. So you can run your gear, you know, with confidence and with comfort, you know. A lot of people have actually told me that, you know, they actually get a faster draw because of that reinforced power core center, because their EDC is not flopping around. It's closer to their body, it's easier to get to. They know where it's gonna be at it every single time, right? So they use best-in-class materials, all right? Innovative construction methods for extended durability. This includes like top grain leather, okay? Full grain leather, tactical nylon, licensed multicam nylon, carbon fiber, you name it, okay? Even armor tech. All of their gun belts are lined with a super fiber inner layer, okay? That's extremely durable and is water and sweat resistant. Sorry if I had my face cut off, I apologize, guys. I didn't even realize I was moving the camera around trying to fix it, all right? But all track belts use layers to accommodate the micro adjustable track system. All right, so what do we need from a EDC belt, okay, as end users, right? We need it to be firm. We need it to securely support our firearm at the end of the day. We need it to adjust to our exact waist size and the proper amount of tension. And above all, be comfortable enough to wear all day, whether we're sitting, whether we're standing, whether we're walking. You know, Kore EDC gun belts, 1.5 inches wide, offer a variety of materials. We spoke about some of them, like top grain leather, right? Full grain leather, even tactical nylon, the licensed multicam nylon, the carbon fiber, the armor tech. So the leather, the carbon fiber, and the armor tech gun belts are designed to support light to medium weight firearms and gear, maybe roughly up to 4 pounds, right? Multicam, you can go to about 8 pounds, and nylon and tactical belts as well, you can go up to 8 pounds, okay? And the actual nylon web outer layer is rated to 500 pounds, okay? All of their gun belts are lined with that super fiber inner layer that's extremely durable It's water and sweat resistant, so this is not going to break down over time. Okay. And all track belts use the layers to accommodate the track system. Now, what I like a lot about these guys, they now offer a made in the USA made collection, guys. All right, from their own facility in San Diego, California. Okay. They also offer, let me get the buckle out here. They also offer a variety of different buckle styles. Okay. And they're great for most environments. They're constructed of alloy or stainless steel and plated with either gunmetal, nickel, or powder coated. So whether you're at the range, on duty, or just out on the town, you know, they're gonna have a buckle for you, okay? Although they may look a little different on the outside, the mechanism and function of all the buckles are identical, okay? Their buckles use a patented spring system. I don't know if we can get that on camera to show it. You can kind of see that. That's their patented spring system, okay? That locks the belt in place, but with a touch of the release tab right here, you can quickly adjust or remove it entirely, fast, you know. They use 2 set screws, you can see those right there, okay? And a teeth clamp. Let's see if I can show the teeth clamp here. There we go, that's a good picture of it. To keep the belt attached to the buckle, so it never pulls out on its own, you know. Buckles and belts within categories are interchangeable. So for example, that means if you can mix and match the buckle on the 1.5 inch Wad X series gun buckles and belts, and most of the other buckles can open, like bottle tops and things of that nature as well. But the buckles are interchangeable between belts. So I thought that was pretty cool. All right. So that's gonna do it for this video. Just wanted to give you an unboxing of this Kore Essential belt here. Kore did send this out to me, so I want to tell them thank you for that. I appreciate it. We're gonna do another video with showing you how to size your belt, showing you how to cut it to get your exact fit, because a lot of people kind of get that wrong. So we're gonna do another video showing you how to do that, but I just thought it was a pretty good, cool thing to bring to you guys and show you all the features and what I had in store. Okay. All right. And well, we'll see you next time. I appreciate you. It's that gun guy again. Peace.